everyone, fellow Disney fans. Today we are checking out the Contemporary Resort Presidential Suite. So this is a very special suite. It comes with concierge and club level access. So let's go check it out. So today we are checking out the Presidential Suite for the Contemporary Resort. But first, before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about the channel. My name is Jamie Thomas. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. I'm here to help you get the most out of your next Disney vacation. When you book with me, my services are completely free. So if you are interested in a Disney vacation, you can find all my contact information in the description below. So let's go take a peek at this resort room. Here's the bedroom with 2 queen beds. You got some incredible theming in the background and lots of under the bed storage. And then a nice flat screen TV and tons of closet space all over here. Okay, let's go check out the living room. Oh, just wait, before we go to the living room, let's look at this. How lovely is that deck? That is a nice little balcony there, and it's overlooking the castle, so you have this is about as good as it gets for fireworks view. It is just right there. The other bedroom, there's like a little seating area and then a queen, actually I think this is a king size bed with, again, lots of storage underneath and some light Incredibles theming. Beautiful artwork there. And then here's the other bathroom. Got a huge shower again with a tub in there. Wow, that's big. Nice rainfall shower curtain. Or nice rainfall shower. And then here's the bathroom. Wow, this is a nice bathroom. Double vanity. We got makeup sink right there. Hi guys. There's the other vanity. And then the toilet is right around here. That is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Okay, let's go check out the living room and kitchen. Oh, this is like a little entryway, more storage and stuff. What's in here? Okay, here's the kitchen area. Got coffee maker. That looks like an espresso maker. And microwave. Cooler, and then coffee. Not like a full kitchen, but definitely more of a, just kitchenette. So let's check out the kind of living room main common area. So you have like a little seating area here with a table and chairs, and then you have a sofa and just a seating area to come hang out and chill and watch TV. Here, and then there's this kind of like just main entrance bathroom, so a little shower too in there too. Yeah, just a little toilet. Yeah, so 3 bathrooms. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along with this presidential suite. It is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. If you are interested in booking this room category or really any resort, then make sure to contact me. My email is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.